No, in the last class I told you about this accountancy, that is branches of accountancy and types of accountancy. That is different types. Accountancy subject, it is completely filled with accounts, and the accounts are divided into three types. That is personal account, real account, and nominal account. Persons accounts that belongs to individual persons, we'll call them as personal accounts. And in this personal accounts also we'll come across natural persons and the legal persons. Natural persons are those persons like Rama account, Cheta account, Krishna account, all these things. And legal personal accounts means accounts of companies, businesses, etc. Those are nothing but legal personal accounts like ABC company account, XYZ company account, all these things will come across. And there is a rule that governs this, that is debit what comes in, debit the receiver, sorry, debit the receiver, credit the giver. The person who is receiving, his name should be debited, and the person who is giving, his name should be credited. This is about the personal. Okay, real accounts. That or real accounts are also known as property accounts. Okay, property. And this property, sometimes it will be visible to the naked eye, and sometimes it is not visible to the naked eye. Okay, so there you will come across two again two. That is properties which we can see with our naked eye, and similarly properties which we cannot see with our naked eye but we can feel. So that type of things also are there. Those are nothing but the real accounts. And the rule that governs here is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Whatever it is coming, it should be debited, and whatever it is going, it should be credited. This is about the second type of account. And the third type of account is just for namesake and nominal purpose only they will. Okay. And after some time, the accounts, they'll just disappear. They won't be there. So, in other words, we can say that they are nothing but the expenses or incomes account. Okay, so that is why how you will come across nominal accounts. And the rule that governs is debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. That is the main rule that we'll come across. And another thing is, I told you in the beginning that accounting systems are initially of two types, cash system and mercantile system. That is, we'll take into account the basis of accounting system. Basis of accounting system is, okay, two types. But after some time, they are divided into three types. So the first one is cash system. In that cash system, whatever it may be the cash that we are receiving and whatever it may be the cash that we are paying, okay, okay, that thing only we will take into account. That is nothing but cash system. Mercantile system, it will take into account the various expenses or various incomes that are going to come. That is various incomes that are going to, that we are going to get, that we are going to receive, and various expenses that we are going to pay. Okay, it is irrelevant whether they are received or paid, but we will take into account. Some people, they'll say that it is nothing but a mixture of credit and cash. That is also right. To some extent, that it is also right. And to some other extent, the next thing, that is, okay, expenses what are going to be given and what are the incomes what are going to be received, that is nothing but mercantile system. And another type, the third type of accounting system is mixed accounting system. That is, they will take into account the mercantile system as well as the cash system, and they will proceed. So this type of accounting system is nothing but mixed accounting system. This is about the basis of accounting system. And after that, we have to go for accounting circle. Sir, what is this accounting circle? Accounting circle is nothing but recording the transactions whatever we come across into journal entries, into journal entries. Whatever it may be, the transaction we have to pass journal entries. And this journal entries in the later on courses, the later on videos, we are going to get what is a journal and all these things we will learn in the future period. Recording of all transactions and journal entries. Then the second one is preparation of ledger accounts. Preparation of ledger accounts. And the third one is